So if you're battling dark spots, acne, melasma, eczema, or any form of facial problems, I believe that this video will interest you so much. Don't go away, I'll be right back.
Beauty Bellcito.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
Now you're welcome back. If you're new here and watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe, comment below, like and share. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by. So today I'm going to review the Effimax 5 clarifying face cream. This face cream is magic. It's small but mighty. Don't underestimate this facial cream. Look at how tiny it is. Look at how small it is. It's very small but mighty. The price, it's affordable, so don't freak out. So quickly, let me take you through the ingredient in this facial cream. It contains aqua, that is water. It contains mineral oil, stearic acid, papaya fruit extract, citric acid, fragrance, glycerin, and a whole lot more active ingredients that are capable of clearing your dark spot, your eczema, your melasma, and all forms of facial imperfections. This facial cream over here is magic in a bottle. So if you are aiming at achieving that flawless, spot-free face, this is what you should grab. The Effimax 5 Q10 papaya, carrot, ginseng, vitamin C. This smells awesome. It smells amazing, just like the lotion. And if you see cream that contains harsh ingredients, you will know. Just the smell alone will tell you that this contains harsh ingredient. But this has a smell of vitamin C. That is it has a lemon orange fragrance. It has a sweet fragrance like toffee, like candy, just like the lotion. So you can grab it. It's less than 50 Ghana cedis. It's not even up to 50. I think it's about 15 Ghana cedis or so. But one thing I should warn you about this facial cream is that you do not have to use this facial cream and expose yourself to the harsh rays of the sun. You know, the sun in Africa is very hot. So if you don't know how to use your whitening product, you end up messing up your skin. Okay, now it whitens a lot. When it comes to whitening the face, it doesn't only get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, eczema, or sunburn. It whitens the face as well. It glows the face. It lightens up, brightens, shines, and glows the face. So this is a glow giver. It gives you the glow. It gives you all the good things that you need. It gives you all the facial perfections that you need for your face. This gives you all the good vibes. It's given. It gives you all the givings. Okay, so this is how you're going to use it. If you're someone who exposes yourself to the harsh rays of the sun most often, or if you're someone who works on the sun a lot, just use or stick to night only. Use this product at night only. Stick to night only. Do not use this and work on the sun. Don't forget that whitening products work well. They work better when you use them at night. So use this at night and wear your sunscreen or sunblock during the day before you step out on the sun. Same applies to the lotion. If you want to add the lotion to it to achieve the complete result, like achieve that smooth, beautiful lighten or whiter tone, then you can add the lotion to it and stay away from the sun. So you use this during the night only and moisturize the skin before walking on the sun. Don't mix this facial cream with any steroids like epiderm, Lemovate, and it's already active on its own. You don't need any steroids or any tube cream to activate it. Do not activate it. You are going to make it extra strong, and that alone can damage your face. And you know the facial skin is the most sensitive part of the body, so you treat it with respect. You give a gentle product. You don't just pile up a whole lot of things onto your face. When your body gets damaged, you can wear clothes to cover your body, but once your face gets damaged, there is no way you can cover your face. Even if you wear mask, you can only wear makeup, but for how long will you continue wearing makeup? You can't wear makeup all the time. So when your face gets damaged, that is it. It's difficult to treat. When you apply whitening products on your face and you go walk on the sun, so someone will be asking that, why do I always say that if you're using whitening products, don't walk on the sun and all that? It's because if you are using whitening products and you walk on the sun, you see sunlight, you see this product, you just put any whitening product on the sun for like 3 days, leave it on the sun for 3 days and see, it darkens. So that is what happens to you when you apply these whitening products contain active whitening ingredients that do not work with the sun. Do you understand? Even those who are not using whitening products are getting darker with the sun rays. How much more somebody using whitening product? You will get darker. Your skin will end up destroyed. So stay away from the sun. If you can't stay away from the sun, use it at night only and save yourself from all wahala. Save yourself from that red cheeks, melasma, sunburn and all that. Use it at night only and you're going to see amazing result this tends to give. Just stick to night only and you are going to enjoy all the good results that this small cream here tends to give. Effimax 5 facial cream if you have dark spot, if you have melasma, if you want to whiten your face. So if you're looking for whitening cream, probably you're using a whitening lotion and you don't know which whitening cream to use, you can incorporate this whitening face cream into your facial skin routine, and trust me, you are going to see the result. The result, it's amazing. The result will wow you. Just stick to night only and do as I say, and trust me, you are going to see amazing results. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. But before that, if you have used this face cream before, let me know in the comment section. Share your views. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.